Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Are you ready to boost sales and attract more customers to your Shopify store? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to run a sale on Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a custom discount that encourages shoppers to buy, whether you want to offer a percentage off, a buy one, get one deal, free shipping, or more. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Discounts. This is your discount control center where you can create promos, coupons, and special pricing rules for your store. Now, don't be overwhelmed by the options here. Shopify gives you several types of sales methods, but for this tutorial, let's start out simple. You'll see choices like amount off products, buy X get Y, amount off order, and free shipping. For most basic sales, amount off products works really well, so let's select that to create a straightforward percentage discount for your products. Next, you'll need to decide how customers will access this deal. Shopify lets you choose between a discount code that customers enter at checkout and automatic discounts that apply seamlessly for everyone who qualifies. The discount code method is the most familiar, and it gives you more control over how and when it's used. So let's stick with that for today. So, go ahead and type in your desired discount code, something easy for your customers to remember, like Summer 20 or Welcome 10. This code is what your shoppers will enter at checkout to unlock the sale. Now, let's talk about discount value. This is where you set the actual amount or percentage off. Since we're creating a percentage discount, you'll want to click the percentage option. Then, enter how much you want to take off each product. For example, if you'd like to give 20% off, type in 20. A percentage discount is ideal if you want to make your offer simple and attractive, and customers love seeing that savings at checkout. You also get to choose which products or collections this discount will apply to. Maybe you want the sale to target all items, or just specific collections like holiday gifts or best sellers. Just type in or search for the collections you want and select them. This step is important because it helps you tailor your promotions and avoid unnecessary discounts on every item in your store. Moving on, you'll see eligibility settings. Here's where you decide who can use the discount. You can make it available for all customers, or you can target specific customer segments, like repeat buyers, newsletter subscribers, or even just VIPs. For most general sales, selecting all customers is easiest, but if you want to reward loyal followers, you can make it exclusive. Next up are minimum purchase requirements. You can set rules like a minimum order amount or minimum quantity of items before the discount kicks in. For instance, you might want customers to spend at least $500 or buy at least 2 items to qualify for your sale. If you like, you can leave this blank for a more open offer, but adding requirements can help you drive bigger orders. It's also smart to set limits on how your discount can be used. For example, you can cap the number of times this deal can be redeemed overall, or limit it to 1 use per customer. This helps you prevent abuse and stretch your budget for sales events. Don't worry if you're unsure. You can leave these unlimited for most friendly sales. Before you finish, you'll see options for how discounts combine with other offers, like product, order, or shipping discounts. If you want customers to stack deals, enable those combos. Otherwise, keep it off to keep things simple. Finally, pick the active dates for your sale. Set your start date and time. Maybe you want your sale to go live at 7:59 p.m. on October 20th, 2025. Then, set an end date so your sale wraps up automatically. Once all these details are set, just click Save, and that's it. You've set up a sale on Shopify. From here, your discount is ready to go, and customers can start enjoying the special offer. If something doesn't look quite right, just go back and tweak your settings. Remember, running strategic sales is a powerful way to grow your business and delight your customers. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want advice for your store, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and step-by-step guides. See you in the next video.